Hello my friends, hello guys. Today I'm teach you how make this money easy and fast. Do you want this, my friends? Do you want like this? Like me? Maybe you want like this? I teach you how I make this money easy and fast. Look at this. This is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, and me, Shark1xBet. If you want this, a real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator crash game. Look at this, my friends. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 24 August 23 year. And let's go. I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome, Shark. Go to the 1xBet official website, 1xbet.com. You see, guys, official 1xBet website, play crash for real money online. Press this. Yes, you see, my friends, official 1xBet website, crash game, 1xbet.com, you see, crash. My balance. August 23 year. And let's go, my friends. I teach you how to make this easy and fast. Go to my mobile Android phone, Aviator Predictor, 1xBet. You see, it's real work perfect, guys. It's real correct. Okay, I place a bet and show you how I win money right now. And place a bet, full my amount. And you see next coefficient 2.53. Okay, 2.53. Okay, just wait a little bit. Yes, you see? Okay, I'm placing next bet, full my amount. And you see next coefficient 1.89. 1.89 next coefficient. Okay, just wait a little bit. I withdraw money right now. It's amazing, guys. You see, it's real work perfect. Okay, I place the next bet. No, guys, I missed this bet because it's a very low coefficient, 1.5. You see, it's very low coefficient. Okay, I place this bet because it's big coefficient. I like it, 3.39. My official Telegram channel and me, guys. Yes, you see, I withdraw money. It's real work perfect. It's real amazing. Okay, I'm placing next bet. 2.78 next coefficient. 2.78, my friends. Yes, you see, guys, I win money. It's real work perfect. This is my official Telegram channel and me, guys. If you want this, a real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator crash game. Okay, look at this. This is my history from today and yesterday. You see that? This is my balance right now. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Look at this. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 24 August 23 year, my friends. Press confirm, guys, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit and my money withdraws. You see, my friends, this official 1xBet website. All this real. You see 1xbet.com official website. Refresh my balance. Yes, you see, my money withdraws. My money withdraws. Start to change to approve. Thank you for view, guy. Bye bye. See you later. If you want this money, write me in my official Telegram channel, my friends.